What is next-gen finance? It's the evolution of finance functions and services driven by advanced technologies to meet today's fast-changing digital-first environment. Some key elements of next-gen finance technology are hyper-precision, which is your ability to control financial outcomes with accuracy and to handle financial tasks with precision that results in outcomes being predictable and reliable. Ultra adaptability, the capacity to streamline and integrate end-to-end financial processes and data, and providing the flexibility to adapt quickly to changes while maintaining a unified view of your financial data. Lastly, the dramatic performance that you would see in next-gen finance technology to do things faster and better and result in positive outcomes for your cash flow, budgeting and forecasting accuracy, and just overall better performance for the finance team. We wanted to give you the ability to assess where your team or your organization falls on what we call the financial maturity scale. We have 4 levels on this maturity scale, and this can be applied to basically any finance organization. You can apply this for various functions within your finance team as well. The first level of the maturity scale, we have the basic level, a reliance on spreadsheets and manual processes. Lots of emails flying around, potential errors floating around. When it comes to budgeting time, a lot of back and forth, and generally organizations that have a lot of time invested by their employees in order to get their close done, their budgeting done, their month-end financials done. And we see a lot of errors because of the amount of time and back and forth that it takes. The second level we have is development. So your organization has moved away from some of the spreadsheets that they were using, let's say for some core functions such as budgeting, but you're still primarily within the finance department, and we call this sort of a centralized utilization of Prophix. And we're still looking at potential other use cases that this can be expanded into. For the third level, we have developed. You've started automating most of your processes. You're utilizing workflows and report binders to automatically send reports. You have a newfound agility in your planning, budgeting, forecast, or financial consolidations. And a lot of the amount of time required for your financial reporting or your budgeting has been minimized by the lack of back and forth, as well as the lack of errors that you see with, let's say, level 1 in the basic. Lastly, we have the fourth level, which is leading. So Prophix has evolved beyond just being a finance system and is now integral to multiple teams within your organization. Let's say it's revenue planning or lease accounting, perhaps account reconciliations for your accounting team. That is what we would love to see every client of ours develop in terms of their Prophix utilization. We have a self-assessment right on our website, a quick questionnaire that goes into your utilization of a CPM tool. If you'd like to go more in depth, you could answer some questions and you'll get the results for yourself. An additional way to do a self-assessment, we have an expansion guide available to you. In the expansion guide, we have various use cases where you can assess how you're currently utilizing whatever tool it is in your toolbox for various use cases. So let's say financial planning and analysis, reporting and analytics specifically. We have some challenges listed and you can go through that checklist and see if they apply to you. Then we tell you the solution that would be available to you if you were to pursue that within the Prophix One platform.